Can we complete multiple labs in a single go in the Arcade program, or is there any lab limit? Many people are having this question. Let's decode it together. But before we start, make sure to subscribe the channel, like the video, and hype the video too. Now, without any delay, let's come to the main thing. But first important thing is that if you are new to the Arcade program, how to register and how to do all the things, here is the playlist. I'll link the playlist. Make sure to watch it and get started and complete joining the games. Once you have joined the game, let's come to the lab limit thing. So this is our arcade game homepage where all the games are hosted. When you click on start here, you'll see these games are here. Okay, and here are some labs. So these labs are important to understand because we are discussing the lab limits. Okay. So here total you can see 5 plus 7, 12 labs are there, and we have a lab limit of 15. Now what is lab limit? You must have used the data, 4G data or 5G data, whatever you have used. Basically it will be in 4G data, like you must have received some message like 90% of your data has exhausted, and after 24 hours, like around 12 a.m., 1 a.m., the data gets reset. For example, you have exhausted 3 GB per day data. Similarly, it gets renewed every day after 24 hours. Similarly, the lab limit is there that gets renewed. Now here is a catch. Unlike the traditional method, we'll discover it. So here you can see we have a total 12 labs in this game. Okay, once you complete all these 12 labs, you'll be getting some kind of warning. Okay, let me open the notepad. So what kind of warning you'll be getting? In an entire day we can complete up to maximum 15 labs. Okay, after that you'll be getting some warnings from, I think, from 12 labs only. You'll be getting some warning like you are near to 4 lab limit, 5 labs are remaining, 3 labs are remaining, and after that 1 labs are remaining. Okay, after that you'll be getting a chance. Yes, you'll be getting a chance. You will be having two options. Either you can continue every 2 hour 1 lab, or you can just wait for 24 hours and start again for fresh 15 lab limits. What does it mean? Once you exhaust all the 15 labs, okay, then you'll be getting more labs to complete. Like here, these are the labs. Okay, you completed all these things. You completed the base camp and completed 3 labs of trivia also. Now 1 lab is remaining in the trivia because in trivia we have 4 labs. So after 2 hours you can continue and get the patch. This thing I wanted to share. Now here the time, how they are counting 24 hours. As it is a global event, they are not counting like 12 a.m., 3 a.m. because this different countries have different times and different time zone. Some are running behind, some are running forward. So how they are counting? You have to simply check it. Come to your profile and you can see the progress option. You have to come over here and just scroll down to the bottom. You have to check which lab you started for the first time. Okay, it does not matter you have started some labs 5 minutes ago or 7 minutes ago. Whatever lab you started first. For example, I started this lab around 11 hours ago. So my lab limit starts from 1 a.m. approx. Okay, you can just calculate. It's very easy from the time it started. While starting the lab, you can just note down the lab end time. Okay, so I started around 11 hours ago. So let's consider it's 1 a.m. So I have time to complete 15 laps, more 14 laps I can complete. And even if you restart the lab, like if you started the lab again and faced issue, you restarted the lab, it will be counted in the lab limit. So make sure to watch the video first and complete the lab solution. Do not hurry and just complete anything randomly. I'll talk about the solutions. Do not worry about it. So once you start the lab limits start. So you need to wait for next. For example, I started 1 a.m. Then I have to wait for the next day 1 a.m. Or I have an option that once my 15 lab limits completes, I can start a fresh lab for every 2 hours. So you have this thing to understand that whatever lab you started for the first time, from that time the 24 hours will be counted. For example, if started the lab around 8 a.m. today, then the next 24 hour will be 8 a.m. tomorrow, that is 7th of January. Like this you have to just calculate your 24-hour lab limit, and it's very easy. Okay, you can start with the trivia games and you'll be able, you can see 4 4 8 4 3 12, and like this you can complete 3 trivia in one day, and week 4 also, like after 2 hours you can complete. So you can easily earn 4 arcade points very easy. Now I hope it clears your doubt. Even they have mentioned the textual. I hope it is little bit difficult to understand, but I made it simple. Like here they have mentioned, once the limit expires of the 15 labs, you can keep attempting the lab. After every 2 hours, 1 lab will be given to you. Or you can wait for 24 hours, and when the all labs will release it, just like your data, uh, you can complete the challenges. Now coming to the solution, in the description box I have attached the master sheet. This is our master sheet. Here you'll see the Arcade monthly games. Do not touch the skill badges, pre-assessment skill badges or lab free courses. It will be used in the Facilitator program. Also you don't require any credits for doing games. So here is the monthly games. You have to click on it and you'll be able to see all these games are listed over here. All the cohorts are listed here and next to it is the solution. Currently all the solutions are live. Okay, you can just complete the challenge and earn the goodies. And one more important thing, once you complete the challenge, you don't get any goodies instantly. You have to wait for the prize counter open, which will be opening on 27th of June. So stay tuned, stay subscribed, and have a great day ahead.